In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter account on your device. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to Twitter on your browser or the application. Now, in here, as you can see, you can sign up with Google, sign up with your Apple account, and manually create an account. So as for me, I'll choose sign up with Google as an option. And here, go ahead and click on your Google account that you want to sign up for and confirm the connection between your Twitter account and your Google account. So in here, you'll need to enter your birth month, birthday, and birth year. After entering this information, you can go ahead and click on the sign up button. After that, you'll need to create a username for your Twitter account. You can customize your username or select from the available usernames that you'll find below the username section. So click on next once you're done. You can turn on notifications or skip it for now. You can select your language. There are a wide range of languages that you can choose from on Twitter. After that, click on next. And here you'll need to select what you want to see on X. So you can just click on those that you want to see on your feed. After that, proceed on this page and just click on the next button to be able to proceed. After that, you can follow one or more accounts from this list. It's essential to follow an account before establishing your Twitter account. This ensures that your feed will have content to view for you. So as you can see here, your likes are now private. And that's how you can simply create a X account or Twitter account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.